The Emojo Caddy Pro Electric Trike is a stylish and efficient choice for urban commuting and recreational riding. Its key features include a 500-watt brushless motor, a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, and hydraulic disc brakes with integrated braking lights, ensuring a reliable and safe ride. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, the Caddy Pro provides ample power and endurance for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The 4-inch fat tires offer enhanced stability and comfort, while the front suspension absorbs shocks, reducing ride impact for a smoother experience. With a maximum payload capacity of 300 pounds, the Caddy Pro can accommodate various riders and their cargo needs. It's designed to be accessible to riders of different heights, ensuring a comfortable fit for all. The Trike's user-friendly features include an LCD display, thumb throttle, and ergonomic leatherette grips, enhancing the overall riding experience. It's an excellent choice for seniors and adults who seek the simplicity and joy of riding a bicycle, with the added benefits of electric assistance. Backed by Emojo, a reputable electric vehicle manufacturer, the Caddy Pro offers reliability and peace of mind. Whether you're looking for a practical commuting solution or a fun way to explore your surroundings, the Emojo Caddy Pro Electric Trike is a solid choice that combines style, comfort, and convenience.